Monday, 26th October. On the way back to Bangalore from Chikmagalur, we visited Belur Chennakeshava temple. Belur was the capital of the Hoysala dynasty, who made solid contribution to the field of art. The Chennakeshava temple here, a wonderful artistic creation of the eternal beauty, was built by the king Vishnuvardhana in 1117 AD. The temple was built over 3 generations and took 103 years to finish. This is located 35 kilometers from Hassan city and about 200 kilometers from Bangalore. We took the help of an authorized guide to know more about this great architecture.
Anand, yes, Anand. Professional guide. He after training from the Department of Archaeology and Tourism Department. They all train in guides. 100 years oldest temple. According to archaeology report, this temple took 103 years to build, to complete. And still this is an active temple. Can you see the flag there? Dwajastambha. This is symbol of Puja temple. Without a pillar we called monument Smaraka. In Shiva temple we can see the Nandi. And this is sacrifice stone. Just put the holy rice. The Garuda, Vishnu Vana. And this is indicate this is active temple, Puja temple. And the entire temple built by soapstone. Because soapstone naturally very soft, very easy to work. So we can see the intricate work, minute work. Hoysala dynasty, royal symbol. There is a boy fighting with the lion. He was the first king of the Hoysala dynasty. He was the founder. Just above that Garuda Narasimha. And either side of Narasimha, I can see that. From the beginning, first one, fish Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana. Left side, Parshurama, Sri Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. Like a 3-dimensional, 3D effect. Yeah. This is just an animal Makara. This is a combination of 7 animal sarga. Body like a pig body, lion's leg, trunk like elephant.
So dancing statues are the masterpiece of this temple.
Yes, sir. Right? It's a lady with the mirror.
Apsara.
We call it Darpana Sundari.
Idara.
So this is the court scene of the Vishnuvardhana, Hoysala's king. He was the main king in Hoysala dynasty. And who built this temple in 117 AD? They called Shuka Vashini. In those times they would use the pigeon and parrot to send the message. Because no mobile email. This is a communication, Samparka Sadhana. And around 144 elephants. Each elephant is different movements. Gajapata. 620 hairstyle, Kesh Alankar. And can you see the panel, sir, the box? Epic stories. See Bhima throwing the elephants like a ball because Bhima has 1000 elephant power. And here you can see Ramanacharya, Bhishmacharya sleeping in the harrows, red of harrows. Sharashilya. Here. Can you see the small stick? Oh yes. Okay. And this is a very big festival in India, Holi. And left side there is a small syringe. Yeah. Actually the boy filling the colorful from the little syringe. And right side the girl gives a small pot also. Yeah. So here also we can see the different taste. Can you see the speciality of Hoysala? Each figure 3-dimensional, length, breadth and depth. 3D effect.
All the statues,
Yes.
right? Even small or big.
Small also. After the shower, She is squeezing the hair. You can see end of the hair. There is a water drops. The bottom of the hair. You can see the water drops.
Yeah.
And this is a very typical step in Bharatanatyam, sir. Here the dancer bending her body into 3 different angles. Tribhanga Nartya. See, from drum up to neck, one angle, neck to waist to feet. This is not easy. This is a very typical step in Bharatanatyam. Stick, that is a skull. Can you see, sir?
Yeah.
But right hand she holding the bowl also. Kama Parvati.
Yeah.
This is a lady drummer. We can see the drum rope. Looks like a real nylon rope. See the rope, thread dot. Along with a girl, couple. That means the age of 16 to 18. See, one donkey face girl looks like beautifully for the teenage boy. Love is blinded teenage, sweet 16. You can see the small teeth also here. Again Narasimha. Come closer. Temple. Natya Mohini. Look at the filigree work, everything is in one stone. The perfect body of beautiful dancer. Body proportionate. Left shoulder, sir. Can you see the left shoulder upper portion? You can see the lizard. Can you see? Just in front of the lizard's mouth, there is a jackfruit. And above the jackfruit, there is one small dot. That is a fly, house fly. This is the lizard, jackfruit, and fly.
These are all ladies' ornaments, right?
Called as Veena, Rudra Veena. You can see on the Veena, there is one small thin. This is not Darpana Sundari. The beard and mustache. See, in those times, ladies also went to forest for hunting. She holding the bow. Just above the bow, there is a 2 birds also sitting.
So this part is social, right?
Jivatma. This is called as Paramatma.
So we are going to.
Temple started from Shiva and Parvati. Halebeedu Shiva temple. Halebeedu started from Vishnu Lakshmi. Vaisala means equality.
Yeah.
They built Jain temple, Vishnu, Parvati, Shiva. So this is all different from. This is called as Kamala Stamba. Can you see the lotus petal, lotus pillar? Yeah. The right side you can see the Kali, sorry, Putana, poison lady. Can you see the small scorpio on the stomach?
Yeah.
Scorpio, symbol of poison.
Yeah.
Ravana like a strength, courageous and speed. Can you see the multi-story building design? First floor, second floor, like balcony wall, grill work, windows. This is old, this is replaced. Can you see the workmanship? Ashtabhuja Vinayaka. Left hand one was damaged.
Okay.
Mahishasura Mardini. Can you see the sharp tongue and bright eyes? He's killing the demon, Hiranyakashipu. Can you see he opened the stomach of the demon?
Yeah.
He took out the Indrahavata.
Yeah.
This is Brahma, creator god. Can you see the small bell, sir?
Yeah.
The bell hanging by the chain. It looks like a real metallic chain that have 14 links. The bottom slipper.
What is the name of this, you know?
Nagna Kala Bhaira. Nagna means naked.
Not wearing. Yeah.
Can you see the bottom slipper, high heel slipper also. Nagadevata, King Cobra and Queen Cobra, Nagaraja and Nagarani. Again Shiva. Here Shiva holding the number of the weapons and Shiva dancing on the head of the elephant. He was a demon, Gajasura, same figure in Halebedu. He killed the elephant, he opened the stomach of the elephant, he wears the skin of the elephant like a blanket. Gajasura Mardana. But more detailed in Halebedu, 4 legs, the tail, everything. This is the wedding god. Even today some simple marriages perform here. Still encouraged to simple marriages.
Veeranarayana Hoysala temple.
Yes, yes. So, Vijayanagara temple, sir.
Yeah.
Bhudevi, Kalyana Mandapa and Lakshmi temple, basement like a square shape. But Hoysala temple basement, 1, 2, 3. Around the temple 32. We can see from here, upper portion also we have same star shape corner 32. You can see each corner like a symmetrically, geometrical system, 32, 32. From inside of the temple. After Abhisheka and cleaning water comes through here.
This looks like new stone.
Yes, sir. Actually this is here, but this is all new. You can see center of the feet, 8 petals. That is symbol of Lakshmi Devi. Yes. It's meant for worship. And here Rati and Manvata, god and goddess of love. Rati holding the fruit, Manvata holding the sugar cane. That means love means sweet. But same figure in the entrance separated, left and right. Because before entering the temple, number 1629. The Apajapa, the name of the donors, he donated more than 500 acres land to temple development. So whatever give details here. Here, the lady returned from the forest after the hunting. Can you see she is carrying the bow also? You can see on both sides assistant. Left side assistant, she is carrying the dead animal like a rabbit. And right side one more tiny girl. She has removed the thorn from the feet of the big legs. Belt, anklet, everything is different. The beautiful figure in the temple. Perfect dancing pose. According to archaeological, if you remove the figure from the place, for example, keeps a vertical position, and if you put the water drop, a small finger of the right hand, that is straightened with the nose, nipple of a left breast, toe of a left leg. All 4 points meets in one line, straight line. This shows skill of the artist, dedication, patience. Left thigh saree's design also. Can you see? Printed design. Circle. Adishesheshna, Anantapatana. Your teacher teaching the dance to a student. Guru Shishya. This is the astrologer, lady astrologer. Left hand can you see the astrology book. Right hand you can see the small thin light. See without light, sir? Small thin light. Life light. She is very tired. You can see the tiredness in the face. So the lady gets relaxed by the hand. Can you see tiredness in the face? The lady just closing her eye. This is a musical instrument, a Nagaveena. Here tiredness, but last figure can you see the proudness, proud manner. The lady raising her eyebrow, different expression. He has very long hair. This is called as ponytail, Ashvakeshi. Can you see the long hair? Yeah. And the round shape of the hair, the top of the hair, you can see the horizontal line. That is actually hair clip, hairpin. This is our tradition and culture. A small girl offering the touring to big lady. You can see small girl offering the touring to big lady.
Yeah.
So the lady holding the bunch of the tree because the balance. But left hand she holding the bunch of the tree because the balance. You can see the naturally realistic figure. Can you see the French beard also? Come this side, sir. You can see from here. You can notice the depression of the drum on both sides. Can you see the drum skin? It's gone inside. Vishnuvardhana's son, Narasimha Ballada. This is singer. Actually, last step of Bharatanatyam, the dancer takes the rhythm in the toe of the left leg. The toe just rising like this. This is the last step of Bharatanatyam. Tilan, Lasya. 48 pillars. Each pillar is different. You can see flower design, beautiful necklace design, Please come. This is Narasimha pillar. This is one of the holy pillar in the temple. See what we have seen outside and inside. You can see the all god and goddess figure and all 42 dancing figure silence. This is a miniature of the temple. Index, like summary. But our elders told, we have no perfect shape of the god. God is everywhere. Sarvantaryami.
Dancing stage, right?
Dancing stage. This is the beautiful part in the temple. This is called as Bhuvaneshwar in Sanskrit. This is made up of number of pieces, but there is a small hanging pillar in it. Slipper, shoes of Vishnu. This is made up of skin of deer, 55 years old. The donors donated to temple. Vishnu Padaraksha. This is all. Main entrance east facing because early morning sunrise. You can see the beautiful tower also, South Indian Dravidian style. Who means cow. You can see the cow and shape. Pura, the name of the place or name of the village. Gopura means holy place. This is South Indian. This is actually made up of granite. This is not a soapstone, just a single stone. It is comes out 30 to 30 feet high, 18 tons weight. See, usually pillars standing by 4 corners with the support, but this pillar just standing by 3 corners. No cement, no concrete, no any binding metal. Just a one balance. Just bend the body like this, sir.
The structure of this temple is almost similar to Halebeedu and Somnathpura temple. After spending few hours here, we continued our journey back to Bangalore. Thank you for watching.